What are your thoughts on this?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. A very good question. There are two ways. I was lucky to be a journalist because I lived in Australia at the time and witnessed the 2000 Olympics. And I saw our athletes and some of the struggles they went through. And I love sports, so I've been able to see some of these things. And one of the programs that I have in place is to set up our protocol officers, not only for athletes, but even to Kenyans. Kenyans have been complaining that when they go to embassies, they're not treated well. They're not treated with respect when they live in the diaspora. And I want to ensure that when you go to an embassy, to a high commission as a Kenyan, you are treated with the respect and dignity that you deserve as a Kenyan, and you can come out saying, yes, my country really loves me. So I'm going to institute a program to take care of athletes and even top business people when they go to these countries, because they are also income earners. They are bringing foreign exchange to our country. It is also a shame that even some of our soccer players, we've seen them in the past sleeping in airports because there was no proper protocol or there is no money. And so I'll be coming back to Parliament and requesting for funds so that we can always have an emergency kitty in our high commissions and embassies, so we can be able to fly and take care of our soccer players. If there's a player or athletes that has fallen in the wayside, to remove that shame and give them the recognition that they deserve. We also, one of my plans that I put through as Kenya Kwanza plan is also to have a program for our athletes on how to invest and save their money. So that as they make their money, they are not just spending their money. Part of their money is going into saving, because you cannot run forever. After a while, somebody else will be able to run faster than you. A better soccer player will play better than you. So that you have something left, so that you can be able to invest, get into business or get into work, so that you don't die poor. Then it becomes a shame that you represented this country, but you're dying poor. So we can be able to set up that in collaboration with the ministry in charge of sports. Then lastly is we need to have galas and